Alright, you ready? Got the feeder there. Very good. And there's a crack in the corner. I had a bee that was looking at us. Alright. We'll take this smoker off. Or this feeder off. See what we've got. Alright. Let's take this frame out. Back up just a little bit. See anything in there?
No. It's crawling out.
Do what?
It's crawling out like this.
You need to walk away and go do it?
I don't know how I'm going to do it. You go there.
A lot of bees in here. We've been in here 18 days, so it's a little too early to be hatching out any. This is still just what came in the swarm. See lots of pollen and nectar in here. Let's see. See the pollen on that side. Lots of orange. You always want to put them back the way you got them. So bees organize their hive the way they need it, so if you keep moving it around, just going to kind of slow down their progress, rather. Use the smoke to get them to move, to take away their ability to put out the danger pheromones. So they use scent for a lot of things, and the smoke kind of masks that. And it gets them down on the comb, filling their bellies with honey in case they have to leave real quick because of a fire. Alright, here we have, look at that, Owen. Good eggs and larvae. Capped honey all along the top. Do we see a queen on here, Owen?
Not on that side.
I don't know if you can see eggs and larvae in there or not. They're in there. Always looking to make sure it's just one egg per cell. If you had more than one egg per cell, that would say, I'm gonna put this one back, babe. That would say that you probably have a laying worker, which we don't want. We shouldn't have one as long as we have a queen, which we do.
You think?
Oh, we do. That's all eggs. That's evidence of my queen. It's about all the evidence that I really need. It's always nice to see her, but this has got capped brood.
I want me to.
That one says, watch for the queen. I don't see her. But she has been working. really don't need to do much more in this besides put on a new box for them to give them more room. Because they need room to grow. Where's the smoker at?
In your hand.
And you're supposed to add a box when they're at 80%. Owen says 6.5 frames is 80%. They
About.
definitely have that. There's some busy, busy girls.
Where to pee.
You see here, this is all newly drawn comb. This was nothing but the wood. So they built this whole corner out. Keeps them nice and busy. And we need to give them some more room so they don't get bored. Bees don't do good when they get crowded or bored. I have some drawn out frames in this box I'm going to add. If I didn't, I probably would move some frames up so that they can, so it would draw them up into them faster. Make sure they work them. When you're putting it down, go nice and slow. Kind of go at an angle and then turn it. Oops, it's backwards. When you make a design, make sure you get the front on the front. Nice and slow, at an angle, and then straighten it up. Alright, all we have to do now is add the feeder back on.